The last video we did here in this remodel project, the drywall was just being finished. Cabinets were all sitting in boxes here in the floor. Hadn't started installing any of those. The flooring was not down. The painting was not done. The plumbing fixtures were not installed. So we've come a long ways since that last one we did a couple of weeks ago. So here we are again. As you can see, we've made a lot of progress since the last time you were here. The flooring has been installed. The drywall has been finished and painted. The kitchen, last time all the boxes were here on the floor with the cabinets. Now all the cabinets are installed. The countertops are in. We've got a lot of the lighting done. We still have a little more lighting to do. And we have a little more trim work. We're working on the shoe molding around the floor. We've got some appliances to install. The dishwasher, the range, and the refrigerator still need to be installed. But we've gotten a lot of this done. Back here in the addition, the laundry and the pantry area, washer and dryer and some shelving needs to go in the laundry area. We still have a handrail to put in going down the steps. Want to show you the master bathroom. So this is the master bathroom, which is a key part of this project to create a fully accessible bathroom as part of this renovation. So we have installed a curbless shower that's completely level entry, or what's been referred to as a beach entry shower. You just walk right in, has a handheld shower head, has grab bars for safety, has a fold down seat. We also have a wall hung commode that is easier to clean underneath. We have a roll under sink vanity with knee space underneath so you can sit while you are taking care of your hygiene needs there at the sink, as well as a pocket door that slides into the wall. The electrical lighting has not been installed yet, so it's a little dark in there, but hopefully you'll be able to see some of these features. We've done 2 new bathrooms, added the addition. The addition has the laundry area, the pantry. We closed in the ridiculously steep steps at the front of the house, put in a new set of steps down the basement. The kitchen was kind of congested. We took out 2 walls, and we've done a new kitchen and replaced most of the windows and the doors.